Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see our first chapter Vijayanagara Empire question and answers. So far we have completed the lesson and today we shall start the solutions of that chapter. Is fill in the blanks. First question is the military leader of Devaraya II who defeated Sri Lankan king and received tribute. So the answer is Lakkana Dandesha. So he was the military leader of Devaraya II who defeated the Sri Lankan king and he received tribute from them. Okay. And the second is Krishna Devaraya married Gajapati Prataparudra's daughter Jagan Mohini. So this Krishna Devaraya defeated him and he married his daughter Jagan Mohini. And the third question is in Vijayanagara kingdom Varaha was a dash coin. So in empire Varaha was a gold coin. Foreign traveler who said all religions coexisted peacefully in Vijayanagara kingdom was, so he was Barboza. Art and sculpture of Vijayanagara was the evolutionary form of Dravidian style. Who said this? Percy Brown said this. So the next main is answer the following questions in one sentence. The first question is who is the founder of Vijayanagara kingdom? And the answer is Harihara and Bukkaraya are the founders of Vijayanagara kingdom. So the second one is name the dynasties that ruled Vijayanagara. Sangama dynasty, Saluva dynasty, Tuluva dynasty and Aravidu dynasty. These four dynasties ruled Vijayanagara empire. And the third one is name the famous king of Sangama dynasty. Answer is Devaraya II was the famous king of Sangama dynasty. Fourth question name the famous and greatest king of Vijayanagara kingdom. So Krishnadevaraya was the famous and greatest king of Vijayanagara empire. Fifth question when did the Rakkasatangadi war take place? So this Rakkasatangadi war took place on 23rd January 1565. So on 23rd January 1565 Rakkasatangadi war took place. Name the products exported during the period of Vijayanagara rulers. Rice, cotton, clothes, iron, diamonds, sugar, musk, sandal and spices were exported. So these items were exported during the rule of Vijayanagara rulers. Next is name the festivals celebrated in Vijayanagara kingdom. Deepavali and Dasara festivals were celebrated grandly. So these two festivals were celebrated grandly and this Dasara festival was celebrated under the king's patronage. Next is eighth one name the musical creations of Krishna Devaraya. Answer is Krishna Devaraya wrote Jambavati Kalyana, Madalasa Charitam and Rasa Manjari. So these are the creations of Krishna Devaraya. Next is ninth question. Name the foreigners who visited Vijayanagara. So in this question we had to name the foreigners who all visited to Vijayanagara empire. So Abdur Razak, Domingo Pace, Barboza, Percy Brown are the foreigners who visited Vijayanagara. And the 10th question is name the important temples of Vijayanagara empire. So here we have to name the important temples of Vijayanagara kingdom. So the first is Virupaksha temple, Hazara Ramaswamy temple, Vithalaswamy temple, Krishna Swami temple, Kamala Mahal, Sringeri's Vidyashankar temple. So these are the temples of Vijayanagara empire. So here we have completed our second main and moving towards the third main, that is discuss and answer. Here we have to discuss and answer. These are the long answers. So let's move on to that. So the first question is write a note on Krishna Devaraya's conquests. So here we have to write a note on the Krishna Devaraya's conquests. So the answer is Krishna Devaraya was a brave king, intelligent soldier and diplomatic expert. He defeated his enemies and expanded his empire in South India. He seized Sivanasamudra fort from Ummattur chief Ganga Raja in 1510 CE. He acquired the Rayachuru fort under the occupation of Bijapur Adil Shahi kings. In 1510, he helped the Portuguese to conquer Goa from Bijapur Sultan. In 1513, he conquered the Udayagiri fort. In 1518, he captured Cuttack, the capital of this is Gajapati Prataparudra. Okay, here's Gajapati Prataparudra. This is not Ganapati. Okay, it is Gajapati. J-A. Okay, Gajapati. Gajapati Prataparudra, a Kalinga king, and married his daughter Jagan Mohini. And the next is, in 1522, he recaptured Raichur from Ismail Adil Khan. So he captured the Raichur fort from Ismail Adil Khan in 1522, and he captured Kalaburgi and Bidar forts. He defeated Qasim Barid at Bidar and released the young Bahmani prince and installed him on the throne. Moving on to next, make a list of literary works from Vijayanagara period. So here we have to make a list of literary works from the Vijayanagara period. So the answer is Sanskrit, Telugu and Kannada flourished. Sanskrit, Telugu and Kannada literature flourished during this period. So in Sanskrit we have Vidyaranya composed Shankara Vijaya and Sarvadarshana Sangraha. His brother Sayanacharya wrote Vedartha Prakasha and Ayurveda Sudhanidhi, etc. And Ganga Devi wrote Madhura Vijayam. Praudadevaraya wrote a great drama called Sudhanidhi. Krishnadevaraya wrote Jambavati Kalyana, Madalasa Charitam and Rasamanjari. And in Kannada we have Kumaravyasa's So we have Kumaravyasa wrote Gadugina Bharata, Chamarasa's Haridasa literature developed due to the writings of Sripadaraya, Purandaradasa and Kanakadasa. And in Telugu we have Krishnadevaraya was a great poet. He composed Amuktamalaya in Telugu. His court had great Telugu poets called the Ashtadiggajas. Pendanna, Mukkutimmanna and Tenali Ramakrishna are famous. So I hope this is very clear to you and you have taken down your notes. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. We shall meet in the next video.